Hi guys, Captain Nick here, MarineMax St. Petersburg, standing in front of an all-new Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. Hop aboard and let's get this walkthrough started. Now this right here, something that gets me especially fired up, coming right off the plane from the Mercury factory in Fond du Lac, Wisconsin. Got a Mercury 154 stroke, one of the most reliable engines ever made. They nicknamed this engine Operation Bedrock because it laid the foundation as Mercury being the worldwide leader in reliability. Great amount of seating here also. Come on down here. Huge area for storage, guys. So you guys noticed something a little bit different about this boat here, is we actually have, instead of a bench seat, we have two captain's chairs. Really great for conversation and getting to know each other out on the water. One thing I've noticed about the Sea Ray SPX series is it's a real car-like experience with the real sporty steering wheel right here. Everything about this boat just screams hot rod. So come on down to MarineMax St. Petersburg, come check out this race car on the water with family capabilities, or better yet, let me take you out for a spin. Captain Nick, MarineMax St. Petersburg, signing off.